Oh, talk of the devil. No way. No way. You see that? Oh, I don't even know what time it is. Oh, it's almost 1 o'clock. Well, good afternoon, everybody. I'm down at this creek, which is actually flowing higher than what it was yesterday when I looked at it. I'm going to see about going down, at least down one edge. If I can cross over and come back up the other, I will. Yeah, let's see what we can find, if anything at all. I can tell you right now, it's pretty. I'll post some photographs. But yeah, this is pretty. This is nice. All right, folks, talk to you in a little bit. There's a lot of leaves here. Let's see how far out I can go. I'm just wearing my Wellington boots. I can attest that there, ooh, that was close. There are no leaks in them, which is a good thing. Which is surprising, since these are the ones that I was wearing bottle digging back there in Utah. So it really shallows out here. It is a cloudy day today. It's gloomy, very gloomy. Wow, this is shallow. Wow. This is actually pretty cool. Wow, it's only like 4 inches deep here. So I'm looking for anything. This is this creek, the part I'm in, is actually downstream from a mill that once existed here in Limestone County. And I was like, yeah, let's give it a go. Let's see what happens. Yeah, something different. Something different. Of course, I'm waiting at any moment to step into a deep hole, which I'm sure is possible. I see a bottle over here. I suspect it's modern due to the amount of trash that I see. But to quote Aquachigga, I am not the river janitor. Ah, yeah. Johnny Bootlegger Peach. Well, I'm gonna see if I can cross over to the other side without getting swept off my feet. That water's moving. Of course, I'll have to make this trekker back, because I'm not gonna try and go across the bridge up there. It's taking my life in my hands. So yeah, a couple of things I've noticed about Alabama. There is such a thing as the Alabama Minute. And ooh, it's deep right here too. I don't know. Water's clear though. Does remind me of my homeland, England, a lot. I mean, if I didn't know better, I'd say I was in England right now. Actually, that would be a good photo right there. Try and do this without dropping the phone in the water, because that would be a bad thing. See how that one came out. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's good. What do you think? Huh? So not every creek has a has bottles in it, obviously. So still, I mean, this is still nice. I mean, if they ever shut down the road that crosses over this bridge, this would just be absolutely tranquil. I mean, you could hear the There's birds singing, there's running water you can hear. Look at that. Almost looks like you could fly fish that. And you'd have a big old trout coming up. I dare say these waters are probably cold enough to support a trout, but you have to go north to the trout. I guess the trout are in Tennessee. Look at this, look at the size of this. Look at the size of those acorns, or what would have been the acorns. Humongous. Oh, hang on, here. These are humongous. These are rotten, these aren't gonna germinate, but oh my goodness. Huge. Oh, what we got here? That's interesting. That doesn't look natural. I might hang on to that. Any ideas? Was it part of a cobblestone? Because I know cobblestones, they made them like this, so as they fit, they would go into the ground and then they'd jam against, and they got the sand in between them. That almost looks like a cobblestone. Well, hang on to that. Of course, there's probably people screaming out going, look for arrowheads. I probably wouldn't know an arrowhead even if it stuck me in the ass. But yeah, that's not natural. Oh, talk of the devil. No way. No way. You see that? Holy cow. Holy cow. Check that out. Huh. I just saw the ripples in the rock. I just found my first North American Indian point in Alabama. Be it broken, but I'll take it. That's awesome. Wow, that just changed the whole thing, didn't it? So a possible cobblestone and a point. That's awesome. I did not think I'd see anything like this. Not with all these leaves, and now I'm really looking. That's brilliant. What is that? Oh, hang on. What is this? Nope. Oh, man. What is that? That looks man-made right there, too. So, all you arrowhead hunters out there, there you go. Spearhead, arrowhead, whatever it is. That's just unbelievable. You have to excuse me, folks. I mean, I don't get that excited about a lot of things I find. I guess it's because it's something new. That's why. So, I still think this is probably a cobblestone. So if it is, it may have come from up there at the mill. I don't remember where the heck I crossed. Don't want to get swept away. But anyway, well, I think I'm going to call this. Appreciate you coming along. No bottles, but we got something. Maybe something. And a question mark. I got no idea what that is. All right. Well, wherever you are, happy hunting and good luck. And above all else, be safe. We'll talk to you soon. See ya. Bye.